Boring in life. Pag walang prof, feeling ko, di kompleto yung araw ko.
Diya Saki, nakakainis, nakakayamot, di ka nais-nais. Saka hindi rin ako makakapagdilambong. Hindi ako makakapagpahayag na sa pamamagitan ng kapuri-puring salita kasi wala na akong mapupuri.
Gloomy.
Weird.
Kung walang teachers, walang direksyon ng buhay.
Pag wala sila, wala akong malalaman.
Ang pangalawang nanay or tatay.
Awesome.
Pag-ibig
Madali lang.
Is an epitome of success that I will never reach on my own. For the success I will reach in the future making of the world, I reach with my prof. I very thank you.
Prof para sa akin, kung pwede, parang mom or anything, ganun. Kasi, base sa mga experience namin dun sa mga past, ayoko na magsalita. Kasi parang syempre, like a mom, mag-guide dapat sa inyo yung profs nyo kung anong tama yung gawin sa, kunyari sa particular course na to or anything. Tapos parang that hindi sila yung yung tipong pagbayaan kayo na mag-engage sa isang activity na parang wala kayong alam. So feeling ko, yun yung role ng prof which can somehow be related to a mom's role. Kasi
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.
Happy Teacher's Day!
I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.